The measure of love is to love without measure. Kuya Alan, ganun yung gusto ng Diyos na pagmamahal mo kay Ate Ninya and vice versa.
I can think of all the times you told me not to touch the light. I never thought that you would be the one. I couldn't really justify how you even thought it could.
Nagkakilala kami ni Alan noong year 2015. Pinakilala nila si Alan sa akin that time. Nung mas nakilala ko na siya, madaldal din naman pala. Tsaka ano siya, parang man of few words. Medyo marami po kasi talaga kami pinagdaanan. Parang kahit mahirap, basta siya yung kasama ko, okay lang. Kasi parang kaya namin yung malampasan, dalawa. Basta magkasama kaming dalawa.
And all will be alright in time.
Yung totoo talaga, kinuha niya talaga yung number ko doon sa office namin. Hindi naman ako pinapapunta, hindi naman ako kailangan sa opisina. Pinapabalik-balik niya ako doon. Nagtuloy-tuloy na, kumbaga. Hindi niya sinasabayan yung minsan pikulin ko, ugali ko. Hindi niya mapagbigay din. Maalaga sa amin, dalawang anak ko, kailangan namin. Saka number one, masinop siya sa pera. Hindi siya gastador o normal lang na. Simple lang.
Daddy, salamat sa lahat ng pagtitiis sa ugali ko. Sa pagmamahal mo sa akin, hindi lang sa akin, pati na rin sa anak natin. Sobra yung pag-aalaga mo sa amin ni Nessa. Talagang hindi yun mahihigitan ng kahit sino. Sobrang swerte ko kasi ikaw yung nakilala ko at ibinigay ni God sa akin na makakasama ko habang buhay. At sure na sure ako na talagang in my lifetime, ikaw yung makakasama ko.
That I decide if I should leave or stay. But in the end, what makes it worth it?
Thank you sa 10 years natin. Hindi ka rin talaga nagkamali. Nakunin yung number ko din sa office at pabalik-balikin mo akong pa-report noon. Thank you sa pag-aalaga mo kay Nessa. Thank you sa lahat. Promise ko sa'yo, ikaw lang talaga.
And all will be alright in time. From waves overgrown come the calmest of seas. And all will be alright in time. Wounds of the past will eventually heal. And all will be alright in time. All of this comes with a love that is real. I said all will be alright in time. I said all will be alright in time. I said all will be alright in time. All will be alright in time. Oh, you never really love someone until you learn to forgive. You learn to forgive. Learn to forgive.
Sa piling mo lang nadarama ang tunay na pagsinta. Pagyakap kita ng mahigpit, parang ako'y nasa langit. Minsan lang ako nakadama ng ganito, pag-ibig na wagas at sadyang totoo. Nananabik itong aking puso. Kailangan kita ngayon at kailanman. Kailangan mong malaman na ikaw lamang ang tunay kong minamahal.
Ate Nins, what brings you joy, brings Kuya Alan joy, and vice versa. At kung minsan, one is doing more, it is both of you doing. Hindi dalawa, kundi isa. Ito yung misteryo. Ano yung tungkol sa misteryo? Uulitin ko, hindi kayo dalawa, kayo ay magiging isa sa pag-ibig ng Diyos. Hayaan yung magmilagro si Jesus sa inyong buhay upang ang inyong takot at pangamba ay maging pagtitiwala at pag-asa. May ligaya pag napagdaanan nyo ang mga nakaambang problema na si Jesus ang inyong kasama. Kuya at ate, patuloy, ulitin ko, patuloy na tumatanggap si Jesus ng invitation. Anyayahan nyo si Jesus sa inyong buhay, pamilya. Kasi ito yung nawawala ngayon sa mga married couples. Minamahal tayo ng Diyos na para bagang nag-iisa lamang tayo. And ganun yung panawagan sa atin. Your call now is to live out this love. And this love entails sacrifice. Katulad ng sa krus. Rosel Nina Christine, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your husband?
Yes, Father.
Alan Jr., did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your wife?
Yes, Father. 'Cause all of the small things that you do are what remind me why I fell for you. And when we're apart and I'm missing you, I close my eyes and all I see is you and the small things you do. All the small things you do.
I've been waiting for the tides to change, for the waves to send you my way. I see you, darling, but you pixelate. It gets hard to take these days, but we'll hold the line. I won't let go, 'cause I'll be there when you can finally make it home. And I don't mind, 'cause we both know that we'll be fine when you can finally make it home. Because when I'm in a room with you, that missing piece is found. You know when you're by my side, darling, nothing can break us down. I remember happy wasted days, summer's golden haze in our eyes, lifting you above the breaking waves, memories floating back to my mind. You said, hold the line, I won't let go, 'cause I'll be there when you can finally make it home. And I don't
two balance each other so well. Like coffee and pandesal, like adobo and rice, like karaoke and a little too much of red horse. You just work. Married isn't always easy, but anyone who can do it, it's the two of you. So here's my advice. Bobby, always say, yes dear. Ninya, always remind him where he left the key. And both of you never stop laughing together. Let's raise a glass for Bobby and Ninya. Everybody cheers!
Because when I'm in a room with you, that missing piece is found. You know when you're by my side, darling, nothing can bring us down. It's like when you're far away from me, I get lost in.
Basta kayo, magmahalan. Sabihin mo lang sa akin kapag Alan, ha? Ako bahala sa'yo. Sis ko yan. So, congratulations. So, love, respect.
I hope that everything is, in everything that you do, you put God at first. Sabi nga ni Father kanina sa simbahan. So, always invite God to your relationship. And thank you for inviting me. And ewan ko bakit mo ko piniling ninang, nakakaasar ka. Pero sige na lang din, thank you. And yun nga, yun lang po.
Lagi kayong magmahalan. We put always love is the center of our family. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat sa time. Alam po namin, busy po tayong lahat, pero nandito tayo to celebrate with Alan and Ninya. Congratulations and God bless.
You know that I love you. And kasi wala rin ako ibang choice, ikaw lang yung kapatid ko. Pero Ninya, thank you for coming to my brother's life and for tagging along Nessa with you. At uulitin ko po yung wish ng lahat. Sundan niyo na po si Nessa, gawin niyo pong kambal, sa akin yung isa. Congratulations and best wishes po sa inyo. Thank you.
Hindi ko rin ma-imagine ngayon yung law school life ko noon na hindi kita nakasama. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung buhay ko ngayon kung hindi ko nakasama yung marites na katulad mo. And sana kahit naikasal ka na kay Alan, mag-continue pa rin yung Thursday group natin nila Aki. And yun lang, sana si Alan din, patuloy mong mahalin si RC kahit sobrang hirap niyang mahalin minsan. At kahit medyo makulit siya, mahalin mo lang siya palagi. Ayun lang naman. Mahal na mahal ko kayong dalawa. Alam niyo yan. Pati si Nessa. Congratulations!
Mas na-feel ko how big is your love to ate. Kasi alam ko, di ka mahilig sa ganon, pero you know na ate will be kilig. Kaya I really appreciate that. Even yung mga random surprises mo sa kanya, Kuya Alan, message me anytime pa rin. At for that, support ko sa iyo, Kuya Alan. Pero alam mo naman na yun yung magpapakilig kay ate kahit na hindi mo siya talaga gawain. Pero ginagawa mo pa rin kasi alam mong bet na bet niya yun para makapicture siya, ma-post niya ganon. So yan, to end this, ate may gained a husband today. But I am also happy and lucky enough to have gained another kuya in you, Kuya Alan. Welcome to our family officially. Love you both.
Tinatanggap po namin ang buong puso sa aming pamilya si Alan. Mahal na mahal po namin yan. Ganon din po ang anak namin si Ninya. So yung sabi nga kanina ni Kapitana, ni Nining Brenda, may hiling kami sa kanya. Pero yun din po siguro ang mangyayari sa sinasabi ni Papa niya. Ipagdasal po natin yun. Maraming salamat po. Salamat sa lahat ng mga bisita na pumunta dito. Yun lang po. Mahal na mahal namin kayo.
Thank you for always taking care of me and I love you. And happy wedding day.
Thank you po sa lahat ng pumunta, pagbigay po ng panahon sa araw na ito. Salamat po. Si Ninya po yung maraming sinasabi dito.
Yes, for main character na. First of all, good evening to all of you. I just want to thank me, myself, and I for organizing this event talaga. Actually, si Alan, ano yan siya, financer. Ako lang talaga yung talagang nagbuo nitong lahat. Sabi nga nung isang guest ko dito, ate, para namang debut mo to, may 18 bridesmaids, may 18 principal sponsors. Sabi ko, talagang prinamis kasi talaga sa akin. Prinamis sa akin ni Alan yung wedding na to. Simula nung naging okay kaming dalawa. Sabi niya, Mami, papakasalan kita sa panahon na ready na ako. So, hindi ko na siya kinulit noon, simula nung sinabihan niya ako noon. Kahit makulit ako, hindi ko na siya pinaalalahanan kasi nga, once na may sinabi si Alan sa akin na promise, tinutupad niya talaga yon. Una ko yung napatunayan, nung naging kami, sabi niya, pag uwi ko, pupunta tayo ng Palawan, magpapakilala ako sa mama at papa mo. Yun po, inuuna niya pong ginawa yon. And then, the rest, madami pa po. Baka hindi tayo matapos. Thank you, Daddy, for giving this dream wedding sa akin. Talaga. Thank you, thank you, thank you.